Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back. We've got this place today. People are calling it the HIPPY house. The HIPPY house. I think it's because all the wallpaper's dodgy. Like different, like weird stuff. This is mad as well, isn't it? With the SOT crew. The SOT crew. Let's go have a look at this here. Check the bars on the windows. This is mad. Go have a look around here. Canal. Try the door. Just try the door. Blurry. Found a way in anyway. In the basement. Got the basement. Hello. Let's try the door. Good one. No way. The old oven. A lot of mould in here. Mad. So there's apparently some interesting wallpaper in here. That's scary. Oh, the fridge. The fridge has got some olives left. Nice. Oh, my light working. The light's not working, guys. I don't know. Oh my god. This place is mad. We've got the light working, guys. Let's go have a look what else there is. Oh my god. Just a massive room with windows. Doors wide open. Big room. Doors wide open, guys. Oh wow. Cool fireplace. Goes upstairs as well. And downstairs, but we won't be going down there because the floors. Actually, we might be able to get down there. Oh wow. Big room again. Seek, love, combat, hide and seek. What the heck? Some weird stuff going on in here. Let's go see where they've gone. Check his bathroom, sink. That's his base. He's here. They're here. Been caught by security, guys. Security's got us. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. We missed something, guys. The safe. Yo, that's a big safe, huh? Not opening that. See what else we can find then. What's in here? Where's that front door? Yeah, it is. The ceiling as well. Mad, isn't it? That sink in there's mad. These are the stairs going up. Whoa, what's going on with these stairs? A bit wonky. Yo. Let's just hope these stairs don't fall through. Funky room. It's like a kid's room. Nice. Defo got to be a kid's room. Blurry. Oh, that's the stairs, isn't it? Fucking hell, it goes even further. We can have Chris in the place soon, I think. Oh my god. Looks a bit spongy in here. Oh, that is sponge off. It's a bit sponge up there, guys. We'll see if we can get to it another way. It's a bit dodgy. This is also sketch. Fucking sketchy fucking stairs, man. some sketchy stairs them or. There's like a massive corridor that goes across, but it's all sponge like, floor's wet like.
You've gone down there yet, Tom?
No, I don't know if I fancy going down there.
Yeah, I don't.
I wouldn't mind going down there.
Tom, what are you going to need?
Might be able to fucking chance that. Oh, it looks like there's something cool down there.
What?
Looks like there's something down there. Should I chance it?
Indoor swimming pool.
Indoor swimming
I
pool?
bet there is an easy way down the outside of it.
You see them that other way in as well by the front door?
Is there? Yeah.
I don't know. It's just
I'll chance that then.
concrete stairs going down. I don't know it's the same place.
I know it looks like there's something down there.
Let's have a lot of those again, maybe sure.
Come on, we'll have a look down the other way, see if we can get that way. Bit weird that is. Try to have a look down them stairs there, but. See what these ones are saying. Oh wow. Mad. Let's see if this is any better. The old style windows. It's like a mansion. Oh yeah, this is to the other side, isn't it? Oh. I don't know about that. And that's the other side to there. Oh, that's why. It's pissing in. With the blue toilet. And blue. Dabba dee dabba da. As someone said in the comments. The old door handle. Shall we do guys chance it? Door's locked. Oh yeah, that's where we've been in it. Oh, that's why it's locked. Jammer. Something 2019. What's this? This is weird, guys. What's going on? Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a minute here. Jeez, you know I would do. Oh, the mould on the floor. That's wrong. The I'm blue dabba dee dabba da bathroom. This bit's mad. I don't know about this bit here. Let's sketch. Okay. Big fancy falling through floor. Goes into another room. Some more HIPPY wallpaper. Is that the shower? Yeah. That'll shut you up. Some nappies there for you. That's it. Oh, there's a shed and everything I didn't notice that. Let's have a little quick
Did you
peek.
see the attic? There's a right easy way into the attic.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a bit spongy here.
Yep.
What's going on with the bad stuff? Oh, okay.
That's a sick time.
That is, isn't it? That's cool, guys, isn't it? Check that. That is a cool shot, that is. Check the doorknobs. Can't get out now. Okay, now. Sponge. Lou. Mad ones, guys, mad ones. The old light switch. Whoops. Yo. Can actually see. Hello, mate. Last one's ringing the phone. Fuck me, isn't it? Hello? No, he's not here at the moment, mate. You'll have to call back later. Ta. Fuck. Fancy ringing the phone at this time of the day. Fucking idiot, man.
I'll ring you.
Fucking idiots. Fucking RKS.
Tom's been on the bathroom.
You can hold it down here. Oh, there's some more. Oh. Where didn't we go? I'm going to have a look at that door outside. Looks into the basement. We've got some shots, guys. Or shall we go down here first? Shall we just take a peek what's in the basement? Yeah, there's a fair bit in the basement. Hello. It's the drug room. Concrete floor anyway, concrete ceiling. Happy days. I'm down basement time. Some logs. the log chute. Would have been the coal chute. So, there's not much, to be honest. A boiler. There ain't much. All that's on. Mad. The old light switch. Military light switch. Go on, go for it. From the basement. Look round here then. All the finds and that. Check that light there. That's a shot. Let's go have a look in these sheds here. Little quad bike. So that will be going home in this. Microwave. And not much. A microwave and not much. Look at this garage here. Oh, it goes. It's flooded. It's where they would have fixed the cars then, innit? Oh, we found it, guys. Abandoned Ferrari left behind. So you even got the fucking charger and everything in there. Go for a drive, guys. Oh wow. There Dulux. Johnston's, never opened. Fucking hell. Just come in his little workshop. Bang tally on. Bang tally on he did. Doing his little gardening and his little Belfast sink. Oh my god. The decay on that, guys. It's going into that mansion, burn it. Yeah. Cool though. Cool place. Cattle. Get cattle on. Brew time. There we are. Tea bags. Game of Wii. While we're at it. Mad. Let's see where the others have gone then. It's the end of it there, guys. But look what we found.
Man cave quarter.
I think this is an air raid shelter or some sort of thing, guys. We're going to have a look anyways. It's a bit slippy.
We'll go sideways in one spot.
It is a bit slippy. my god. You found a tunnel here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Blast doors and everything on them.
Oh, no way, yeah.
Look at the old light.
Oh,
The old gas light. Oh my god. Oh, this is where it comes up to where them stairs are.
Oh,
You know what you found?
really? Nothing anyway.
Cool though. Good little air raid shelter. Isn't it?
yeah.
This comes out to where them stairs are and that.
Oh, I know what you mean, yeah. When you stuck in here now.
Sure, that's why you probably got that one,
I was small fan.
That's cool that.
We should have got
Like
that
each cave, that would be.
one. You got that one, actually. I'll got that one.
No, I'll get focused.
That's a nice little lamp that. Vintage.
Some gas lamps, yeah.
The old plug socket. It's just owls, just 3 owls, look.
Where would you put the damn beds, so like? Air raid shelter.
Look at that stiff.
Where would you put the beds?
Don't know.
Kitchen. Like this ain't like a normal bunker though, is it then? It's just an emergency one. Isn't it?
That's a blast door there. That door is.
Definitely a blast door.
Look how thick it is.
It's not that hard really. Nice how many bugs they got down here though.
Mad. So that's going to do it for that one, guys. Hope you liked the video. Smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and me and the SOT crew, we'll see you on the next one on these great adventures. Peace out.